The content creation world is experiencing a massive silent panic right now, and DJI has just fundamentally changed the rules of aerial filmmaking by developing a device that completely kills the traditional camera gear industry. For years, content creators, vloggers, and solo travelers have been heavily burdened by bulky tripods, expensive camera stabilizers, and complex drone controllers that require absolute perfection to operate without crashing. But behind heavily guarded testing facilities, DJI has broken the laws of traditional drone design to engineer the absolute ultimate pocket-sized weapon, the highly classified DJI Neo 3. If you currently own an original DJI Neo, a DJI Neo 2, an expensive mirrorless camera, or if you were actively planning to spend your hard-earned money on a premium travel setup, you need to freeze and pay attention to every single second of this video. What is currently leaking out regarding this tiny, AI-driven monster will force you to completely rethink how you capture video, because DJI is preparing to execute a multi-billion-dollar market takeover that leaves competitors absolutely defenseless. This isn't just another minor hardware iteration with a slightly brighter light or a minor firmware update. This is a terrifyingly intelligent, palm-sized autonomous camera that reads your physical movements, listens to your voice commands, and shoots Hollywood-level cinematic footage completely by itself, without a controller ever touching your hands. To grasp the pure magnitude of what DJI is doing, you have to look at the massive engineering crisis they had to solve inside their development labs. Microdrones have historically suffered from the exact same fatal flaws. They are too light to withstand basic outdoor winds, their batteries die in less than 15 minutes, and their tiny sensors produce grainy, cheap-looking footage the moment shadows hit the frame. The original Neo series proved that palm takeoff was possible, but the newly engineered DJI Neo 3 completely redefines microaviation by introducing a groundbreaking open-grille aerodynamic cooling layout paired with an entirely redesigned ultralight composite airframe. Tech insiders and early supply chain leaks have confirmed that this system allows the drone to actively slice through high-velocity coastal winds that would instantly flip older pocket drones, keeping the aircraft completely locked in place. But the absolute crown jewel of this upgrade is hidden directly behind the lens. DJI has abandoned the tiny, low-light limited components of the past to squeeze a premium high-density image sensor into this lightweight frame. We are talking about a system optimized to shoot pristine, uncompressed 4K video at a blistering 60 frames per second, with internal architecture rumored to support up to 120 frames per second for ultra-smooth, jaw-dropping slow-motion action shots. This dramatic visual leap is completely supercharged by a highly advanced, next-generation onboard AI tracking processor. Traditional follow-me drones easily get confused if you run